It's so empty in here. I still have so much work to do. And whose idea was it to paint this wall black? Oh yeah, mine. I have so much work to do if we want our deposit back. We continue on. I won't be filming videos here anymore. You know that one scene in Hannah Montana, like at the end when she's like standing in the window? I should do that. I hope the new tenants like their crying bathroom. That's it for your last look of the old place. Let's head to the new one.
Several days later.
Well, scratch what I said in my empty apartment tour vlog about filming the makeover. Do you fancy a tour? I'm so predictable. Joan says I have ADHD. Anyway, furnished place. This is the front door. It's green and windowed now. Also, we put like veneer, is that what it's called, on all the door frames to make the place look more retro. Do any of the woods here match? Maybe not. Please don't crucify me. We did our best with what we found thrifting and such. When we don't have coats here, you can see a poster for, I'll be honest, I've no idea who the Dum Dum Girls are. I like the artwork. Bathroom is this way. There's a sink now and a mirror and the frog. We decant soap into this guy. We're adults. This is my home office through here, past the cat tree and Cheetos bowls. My sister said I need to put a long, slim painting here. I have yet to find one. The study itself is simple. All my Skull Panda figurines are in one place. I think I need more plants. These are sort of like 70s system shelving, also blinds. I am still considering curtains for some rooms, but we haven't figured that out. Let's move into the living room. You might find it cramped in here, but it's cozy. I will figure out how we'll arrange, or rather rearrange, come party time for the housewarming and our holiday parties. I like hosting, despite the stress. I'm fond of vintage posters, especially the clowns. It took lots of convincing Maria to put clowns on our wall. She has superstitions, which I pleaded my case against quite successfully. We make agreements on a lot of things, so how can you say no to these little guys? Maria found these shelves online, Marketplace, or eBay, but it made us realize we don't have as many trinkets as we thought we did. Gotta work on filling them. Now that the kitchen has been lived in for a bit, it looks the same, I admit. Forgive me, this is like a galley kitchen, which doesn't have so much counter space, but the drawer under the sink can be pulled out to support a chopping board, so that's neat. I know when I talked about moving, I said we'd be getting a bigger space, and honestly, we didn't, but this place is super cozy. It felt larger unfurnished, I admit, but I'm content with it. Maria and I have settled in quite well, I think. Plus, we're getting a second cat next month. The shelter has been sending us pictures as Cheeto's potential sibling goes through some final checks. I hope you had a wonderful Pride Month, by the way. I know my June vlogs are usually Pride related, but I was super invested in my game show idea. The video is one of my favorites. Check it out if you haven't. Alright, that's all. I love your faces, and I'll see you later. Goodbye.